Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the beautiful design of this modern open-concept living and dining area, along with a glimpse into the serene bedroom and pristine white washroom. The living area features a neutral color palette with vibrant artwork and pillows. A large sectional sofa and sleek furniture create a cozy yet contemporary space. Indoor plants add a touch of nature, enhancing the room's freshness. The dining area continues the modern theme with a rich wood table and stylish chairs. The geometric metal wall art and sunburst mirror add visual interest. The open layout seamlessly connects to the kitchen, perfect for entertaining. The bedroom is a sanctuary of calm with a soft color palette of whites and pastels. Minimal yet elegant decor, plush linens, and large windows create a peaceful atmosphere. Practical storage solutions keep the space organized. The white washroom blends modern design with functionality. A clean color scheme, sleek fixtures, and a well-organized vanity create a refreshing look. The walk-in shower with a frameless glass enclosure enhances the room's modern aesthetic. This home exemplifies modern design with a cozy twist, combining aesthetics and functionality beautifully. Welcome to this stunning home tour. As you step inside, you're greeted by a chic and inviting hallway. The modern artwork on the walls adds a touch of sophistication, while the sleek console table and minimalist decor create a welcoming atmosphere. Moving into the heart of the home, the kitchen and dining area seamlessly blend style and functionality. The rich, dark wooden cabinets provide ample storage space, complemented by the elegant white countertops. The open layout ensures a perfect flow between cooking and dining, making it ideal for entertaining guests or enjoying family meals. Next, we enter the serene master bedroom. This space is designed for relaxation and comfort, featuring a luxurious bed with plush bedding and stylish throw pillows. And now, let's take a look at the beautifully designed bathroom. This pristine white washroom is accented with a rich brown vanity, combining elegance with practicality. The clean lines and modern fixtures add to the overall aesthetic, making it a perfect space to unwind and refresh. Thank you for joining us on this home tour. We hope you enjoyed exploring the stylish and sophisticated design elements that make this house truly special. Welcome to our exclusive home tour. We start with the breathtaking blue ocean living room. This space is designed to evoke the tranquility of the ocean, with its serene blue walls and comfortable seating. The decor is thoughtfully chosen to enhance the coastal theme, creating a relaxing and inviting atmosphere. Next, we move into the elegant dining room. The pristine white walls and furniture are beautifully complemented by the stunning chandelier, which adds a touch of glamour to the space. This area is perfect for hosting dinner parties or enjoying family meals in a sophisticated setting. Adjacent to the dining room, we have the open connected kitchen. This modern kitchen features top-of-the-line appliances and ample counter space, making it a chef's dream. The open layout ensures seamless interaction with the dining and living areas, making it ideal for entertaining. Moving on to the master bedroom, this serene blue sanctuary offers a perfect retreat. The calming blue tones and luxurious bedding create a peaceful ambience, perfect for unwinding after a long day. The decor is minimalist yet elegant, enhancing the room's tranquility. Connected to the master bedroom is the pristine white bathroom. This space is designed for relaxation, featuring modern fixtures and a clean, crisp aesthetic. The combination of white tiles and elegant decor makes it a perfect place to start and end your day. Finally, we have the separate living room with a neutral brown theme. This cozy space is perfect for casual gatherings or quiet evenings. The warm brown tones and comfortable seating create a welcoming environment, making it an ideal spot for relaxation and entertainment. Welcome to this exquisite home tour. As you step into the living room, you're greeted by a bright and airy space. The white sofas create a fresh and clean look, perfectly complemented by the sand brown floor and a rich brown coffee table. Connected seamlessly to the living room is the elegant dining area. The brown dining table continues the cohesive theme, paired with matching chairs and a stunning chandelier overhead. Adjacent to the dining area is the open-concept kitchen. Next, we enter the serene master bedroom. This space features a sand brown bed, beautifully contrasting with the black furniture and decor. Finally, we step into the well-appointed bathroom. Thank you for joining us on this home tour. We hope you enjoyed exploring the beautifully designed living spaces, each thoughtfully crafted with a cohesive and elegant theme. Welcome to this exquisite home tour. As you step inside, you're greeted by a beautiful hallway that seamlessly leads into the living room. The white-themed interior creates an open and airy feel, while the plush brown sofas provide a warm and inviting contrast. This space is perfect for both relaxing and entertaining. Adjacent to the living room is a versatile study room. This open-concept space is designed for productivity and comfort, with a stylish white desk and ample natural light. It's the ideal spot for working from home or enjoying a good book. Next, we move into the heart of the home, the kitchen. The white-themed kitchen island is both functional and elegant, offering plenty of space for meal prep and casual dining. The kitchen seamlessly connects to a small living area, perfect for family gatherings and cozy nights in. On the upper level, you'll find a cozy small living room, maintaining the same white-themed decor. This intimate space is perfect for a quiet retreat, movie nights, or a casual chat with friends. Now, let's explore the serene master bedroom. The white decor continues here, creating a calm and peaceful atmosphere. The room is tastefully furnished with elegant pieces that enhance the overall aesthetic, making it a perfect sanctuary for rest and relaxation. Finally, we enter the luxurious bathroom. This white-themed space is highlighted by a stylish brown vanity and a relaxing jacuzzi. The modern fixtures and harmonious decor make it an oasis of comfort and luxury, perfect for unwinding after a long day. Thank you for joining us on this home tour. We hope you enjoyed exploring the beautiful and thoughtfully designed spaces that make this house a truly special place.